guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, guess where we are? In my kitchen. So that means I'm doing a cooking video today. And you know, a lot of you guys voted on Instagram for me to start doing cooking videos. So I thought I'd cook my favorite food, which is lasagna, and show you guys how to make it, because I know like a lot of times when I make lasagna, like it doesn't last one day in my house. People be calling me left and right, can I come and get my to-go plate? So I'm about to show you guys how I make my lasagna, so that way you guys can cook it for me, and you know, I can go ask for my to-go plate. But without any further ado, let's jump right into this video. Alright, so we're going to start with the noodles. We obviously boil them, and I wanted to show you guys my technique and how I lay my, you know, lasagna noodles. I like to do them like in an egg shape so they don't stick together, because they typically stick together if you don't do it the correct way. So, and also, when you're about to boil your noodles, don't forget to add water to the noodles, please. Like, they be lacking so much flavor if you do not do that. So just put a generous amount, not too much. Okay, now that my noodles are on the stove, I just put the meat in the pot, adding my desired flavors, basically all those seasonings. And the orange things are red African hot pepper. I like to dice a whole raw one. And I like to dice half of onions, like not too much, because a lot of people don't like onions, even though it will saute later. But yeah, that's what I do, and I'm about to cook my meat and get started. Okay, so now when I mix the ricotta in with the noodles and stuff like that, this is the mixture that I make. I don't just take the plain ricotta and just, you know, put it in there. I like to mix 1 egg. I put a little bit of parsley and a little bit of garlic, and then I mix it to a desired consistency. Okay, now that the meat is cooked, I'm gonna add some ragu. But yeah, I'm gonna add some ragu to the sauce and keep the sauce going. Okay, obviously this is what it looks like with ragu. And to me, I feel like it's not enough, so I'm about to add a little bit more so it could look more, you know, reddish. Okay guys, my noodles are boiled and drained. And another quick tip that I wanted to let you guys know, when you're draining your noodles, if you don't want them to stick together, please rinse them off with cold water. Like when you're pouring the water in there, pour some cold water on top. My mom taught me this a long time ago, and trust me, it works big time. So this is my pan, the bottom of my pan or whatever. And I'm just going to layer the noodles pretty much. And yeah, we're just going to keep layering. That's what lasagna is about, layering the ingredients. So yeah, some people might ask how you layer your noodles. This is exactly how you layer them. There's no special trick to it. And the next thing I'm about to do is put some of the meat sauce on top. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much it. Make sure the meat touches all the noodles. And then I'm just going to add another layer. And recording this by myself is so hard. Next time I'm gonna have to have my sister record me or something. Like, I can't do a cooking video and record. Like, it's annoying. But yep, pretty much go ahead and add the noodles just like that. And then the next layer, I'm gonna put some ricotta cheese. And then you spread it on the whole thing. Make sure it touches all the noodles. Trust me, you'll thank me later for spreading it, because it tastes really weird if it's not all the way on there. Yep, it's pretty much okay. Be stupid if you want 2 noodles. But yep, there you go. And then you add your next layer of noodles pretty much. I'm gonna add cheese to this layer here. I actually like to add cheese in between also, but I'm just gonna add cheese for the next layer, okay? Okay, so apparently I was just layering and I totally forgot to film. I'm so sorry. But yeah, it's pretty much a layer of meat, then noodles, then a layer of ricotta cheese with cheese, and then another layer of noodles pretty much, and then you just keep layering it. So on top of these noodles, I'm about to add some meat on top. And then after that, I'll add another layer of cheese pretty much. So you just pretty much keep layering your lasagna. So yep, just another layer of meat. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of cheese on top because like I love my lasagna really cheesy. So I'm gonna add cheese on top and then throw this bad boy in the oven. So this is what it looks like. And I'm about to put it in the oven on 450. Because everything is already baked already, so I just need to like melt the cheese pretty much. So I only bake it for about 15, no more than 20 minutes until the top becomes like really crispy. We're about to enjoy some. Okay, she's in the oven. Be back in about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, we are all done here. I'm about to cut and throw down. Now tell me that does not look good. Might look a little oily, but this about to be the bomb. And that is how you cook my lasagna. So next. Alright guys, that is a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed how I made my lasagna. It's not hard at all. And, you know, next time, like I said, I want to see you guys try it and, you know, let me know how it end up tasting. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And I'll be posting more cooking videos coming soon.